past all the hate and what's happening. There I go, pretending I know. Am I stupid or stoned? I'm just accident prone. The open road and that old stereo. We were singing through static, a song that nobody will know. Just kill the lights and everyone inside. I kinda like the way I waste the time. Ooh, ain't nobody who is with me till the end. So goodbye. I know it's slightly belated, but you're on your way, kid. Take what you like, a parasite, it's true. But I'm satisfied, is that alright with you? I don't feel like you feel like you're gonna use all the time. Honestly, I guess I didn't really care that much about it anyway. Just kill the lights and everyone inside. I kinda like the way I waste your time. Ooh, ain't nobody who is with me till the end. So goodbye. I know it's slightly belated, but you're on your way, kid. Fake till you make it.
Hey guys, what up? It's a little bit later. Also, it's Saturday. I haven't talked on this vlog yet, so I'm gonna head to the gym. It's like 4 o'clock. Today's kind of gonna be like a full body workout kind of day. I don't know. I have planned workouts, but I don't really feel like doing legs or upper body. I feel like I kind of want to do a little bit of both. So that's the plan. Pretty good day so far. I've got a cute gym outfit on. This is it. I haven't really filmed a lot today because I've kind of just been chilling. I hung out with Brian outside on our deck for a while because it was really sunny. It was just nice to actually feel like the sun on my skin again. And also I did my nails. They're really short. I'm loving the autofocus on this camera. Yeah, so I'm gonna head to the gym. Probably not gonna film. Sorry, because my gym is, it's not, it might not be busy. I actually have no idea if it's gonna be busy or not. I haven't really figured that out yet, the timing. I kind of have a feeling it might not be empty. And I just like, I get intimidated filming because I don't know if my form is always right. You know, everyone starts somewhere in the gym, and I'm not starting from the bottom necessarily. Like, I know some stuff. I am allowed to film in my gym, which is nice, and I have filmed like little clips, but it's hard for me to like get the full movement in. Let's go to the gym because honestly, I've been stalling all day and it's like 4, so I kind of need to go now. All right, guys, so I'm actually gonna be decorating my office probably next weekend. So this is some of the stuff that I'm gonna bring down, like just decor that's been sitting, and a gift that my sister got me. It's so pretty, but these are shelves. So yeah, tune in next week because I'm gonna have a really cute like desk transformation video. I need to order a couple things off Amazon too.
Loving you goes in circles round and round. Loving you goes in circles lost and found. Loving you goes in circles round and round. Loving you goes in circles lost and found. Never leaving. All night, hold tight, do it right. Touch me like you'll never leave me. All night, hold tight, do it right.
So I just blow dried my hair and I put these in. I don't have enough to fill my whole head, but honestly I feel like this is plenty. I do have 2 more rollers, but I'm just not gonna do it right now. It's not the prettiest thing, but I'm gonna leave this for about an hour and take it out and I'll show you guys what it looks like. I always get a really nice result from this. It took a little while to kind of master it, but now that I know it, it's like the best way to do hair if you like that kind of flippy, like blowout style. All right guys, I'm gonna take this out and hopefully it looks good. I left it in probably like over an hour. You just wanna leave it in as long as you can. So I used to be really bad at taking these out, but doing that little twist thing really helps. And it's gonna feel kind of tangly, but trust me, you can, once you kind of flip it out, it gets a lot less tangly. And honestly, I don't know if it's because I was filming or what, I just had a hard time putting these in today. So they probably are even a little worse than they should be, but it just takes practice to kind of get it right. Sometimes you kind of have to redo the part a little bit. And there you go. This is kind of what it should look like. So this is kind of the look. It gives you like really flipped out ends. I'm about to go to sleep, so this will chill out a little bit, but I like it like this. It's just cute. It's a nice, fun look. I need a haircut too, so these should be a little bit higher up, but it still works. That's how I do my hair. I don't really know what I'm gonna do for the rest of this night, and also I don't really know how this vlog turned out, but I hope that you liked it. If I get into anything, I will show you guys, but I think I'm gonna kind of end the vlog here, but I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel because I come out with new awesome videos every week, and I will see you in the next one.
3,
Bye.
2, 1.
Look at the back. I hope the back looks good because I can't tell. Bye.
Arguing again, arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me why you're running back to him. Feeling insecure, feeling like there's more to your character. Every tear that you cry is worth it in